Hey guys, welcome. So today we're gonna create a contact form using Happyforms plugin. You can see here it is a very good plugin and you can create a pretty good contact form with it. You can have radio buttons and also drop downs and multiple select. So let's create it. First you have to install the plugin. So come here and add new and Happyforms, right, and then install it from here. When you install it, you will get a menu here. Let's add new. Let's give a name. The name will be contact, and you can add fields from here. You can see there are a lot of fields and some of them are paid, so you have to pay for this, but we don't need any paid things. Let's add a text field. We don't want to give a label, we want to give a placeholder like our contact form. So let's give a placeholder. You can see here it says prefill. You can prefill some text and it will show automatically, and you can also add hints like submit your name, like this. And if you check require an answer, then user can't leave it blank. And you can set the width. I will give it half, and let's duplicate it. Now our next field is phone number, so let's give a placeholder phone number and leave it like this. Now let's add email. Click here, email, and we don't need any label, so let's write a placeholder and we'll give a full width. Then we have these radio buttons, and let's give a label, gender, and let's add some choices. So male, female, other. So it's done. It will be full width. Now let's add a drop down. The label will be country, and let's write a placeholder like our actual form. So I'll write please choose your country, please I am begging you, please. And let's add our country. First let's write USA first, then we have Portugal, then we have Canada and UK. So this is looking good. Now let's add our multiple choices. Click here, checkbox, and we have a label. What sports do you like? And let's add some choices. Cricket, football, I like football, and basketball. And you can limit the choices, like do you want min choices 1 or 2, or maximum choices 2 or 3. You can add it. Let's deselect this. Then we have messages. In the messages you can change the button text. Let's change it. Write send messages, right? Then in the style tab you can style this form. So we don't want the border, we need a background on this input fields. Let's come here, and here let's change the background color. I'll see like this and change. Now we don't want any border, no border height, and we want square inputs, not rounded. Good. You can also change the outer spacing. I want default. Now let's color our button and style it. Border radius would be a square, and we don't want any border. Let's width, full width. Font weight will be bold, and we don't need any alignments. Let's give it center, and we can change the background color. Let's copy this background color. So we are done. So where do you want to send this form when someone submit it? Come here, email, and you can change the email here, and you don't need anything to do else. Let's save our forms, and this is our form. Let's copy the ID and come here in the pages, add new contact, full width. We don't want any title and we don't want any footer. Save and add it with Elementor. Search here shortcode. Let's add this here and paste our form ID. So this is it. This is the form we were trying to create. So I hope you like this tutorial, and if you like this, make sure you comment and say how do you like this, and do you want any improvements in my videos, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.